So here we are on day 2 of our Niagara trip, and we're just getting ready to go out again and then start sampling all those adventures and to do everything that we had planned to do. My baby daughter is right nearby. She is trying to get my attention. Anyways, so we're just gonna go head out and just do the things that we had planned to do in Niagara. And there's a bit more exploring of the town that we need to do. We need to do a couple of things at the falls as well. So make sure to keep watching, and I'm going to keep sharing with you all these exciting adventures of our day 2 Niagara trip right now. But before I do that, let me just quickly share with you a quick overview. Well, our hotel room looks pretty bad, but just let me share a quick view of how it looks. So there you go, you got the beds right there, and then you got a little bit of a side table. And it's not too bad. This place is right near the falls. It's quite economical. It's pretty clean. It's good for families. So if you're ever coming down to the Niagara Falls, check out King's Motor Inn. It's quite a decent place, I would say. And let me just share with you how it looks from outside. And if you go outside, there's a nice little pool that you can see outside. There's a nice little pool right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's not very it's a bit sunny. So anyways, we're just gonna go get started on our adventures. Okay, everyone, here we are back again at Niagara Speedway, and we're just gonna go grab something to eat. Everyone's still out here in the park. Kids are out here, families are out here, so we're just gonna make sure grab something to eat before we continue our adventures for the rest of the day. All right, gonna go grab some food. This is the view from our IHOP restaurant where we're having our breakfast. It's a pretty good of a nice view out here of this side of Niagara. So you got the wheel right there, then you got the Ripley's Museum, you got Tim Hortons, you got all sorts of cool places here to visit. So really nice view out here. So yeah, it's you can see that it's pretty nice view from this crowd. Yeah.
For the whole family. See how many points you can rack up as you wake up plants, pop tin cans, knock down shelves, snap floorboards, break mirrors, spin people drop, and play some good old hillbilly rock. Only the best gunslingers can get the flying high. You can choose 3 roles. 3
So here we are walking down right by Niagara in this area here, where we have lots of different restaurants, lots of different fun parks, theme parks and whatnot. And I found, guess what I found right there in the back? Yeah, that's let's go and say hello to my friend here. Yep. Look, yeah, he's just chilling today, having a good time. Yeah. So yeah, just walking around, had some good food, and we're gonna head over to Journey Behind the Falls just to explore a bit more of the Niagara town. And yeah, everyone's just having a good time, and weather is really good. So we're gonna go walk down there and have some good time, and you know, explore a bit more of Niagara. So over here we're at, I believe it's Oak Parks. Is this what this is called? This is a really nice park right next to the Niagara Falls. And as you can see, it's so green out here, and you got some really nice sights out here. Some flowers in the back. You got that casino. As you can see, the casino on that side, and it's just really beautiful. And it's a bit humid, but it's still, at times there's a bit of a breeze that's blowing in Niagara. So come down here during July and August. It's really a good time, but you can also come here in June and May as well. But if you know, for me, this temperature is not too bad. It's just the right amount of warmth, I should say. So yeah, we're heading over to Journey Behind the Falls, where we will hopefully get some more views of the Niagara Falls and maybe even do some surprising adventures out there. So let's go over on that side, and let me show you how the falls look from this side as well. So there you go, just heading over to the falls, and I'm sure you can see in the back, falls right there. And this is a nice point. You could also see all the hotels, and this is a nice little roundabout here. Yeah, just gonna head over to the Niagara Cruises, I should say. Just heading over there right now. There we are, we're just heading over to our cruise, our Niagara cruise. That's our first adventure for the day, and we're just heading out there, and I'm not sure you can see, those are the falls in the back. It's not really visible, but it's right there, and we're just heading out there now. Right behind me is the boat cruise that we're going on in Niagara. See, the US waterfalls right there, Canadian waterfalls are right there as well. So we're just heading over to one of the things that I've always wanted to do in my life is do the Niagara cruise. Let's go. So heading over to the falls right now. So excited. Right by the falls. There you go. Nice view. And we're heading over to the Canadian side right there. But yeah, there you go. Everyone, we just finished our cruise trip at Niagara Falls, just got done with it, and this brings us towards the end of our vlog. Hope you enjoyed this vlog with me. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this vlog. So great trip altogether. That's the US Falls, and the Canadian Falls is somewhere on that side. As you could see, it was quite impressive, quite quite a spectacular sight, the falls, isn't it? I mean, it's just great. You get to see nature at its utmost beauty. So everyone, until next time, bye bye from Canadian Seyah. Take care. Ciao.